attention? May I have your attention, please? Could I have all the children please come and grab some shakers now? Come grab some shakers. Okay, this is a fun part. Okay. If you like to shake, this is the place to be. Come grab shakers, come grab shakers. You are a part of this, you are making music with us, you are becoming percussionists with us today. Okay, come grab some shakers. Okay, wow, yeah, so many shakers. Good thing I just ordered 1,000 more. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. If any adults would like shakers, you can shake too. If you play music, you will never grow up. Okay, anyone else want some shakers? Anyone else? Come grab the shakers. The shakers are on the front. Okay, come grab shakers. Anyone else want shakers? You want a shaker? You want a shaker? We've got 2 buckets of shakers. I got 1,000 more backstage. Okay, anyone else want some shakers? Come grab shakers. Come shake along. You get to become a percussionist with us today. We are percussionists, and you can be one too. Here you go. Anyone else want to shake? It is time to shake. It is shake o'clock. Okay. Okay, so many shakers out here. Anyone else? Okay. I will leave this bucket here. You can just come grab one, come shake along. You can borrow them for the whole song. At the end of this, as long as you make a minimum $10 donation, so you can walk away with one, if you like, with a donation. Cool. Shakers here. Come grab shakers. Oh my goodness, will I run out of shakers this time? I don't know, we'll see. Okay, come shake on your own time, grab one anytime during the song. Y'all act like you've never seen a marimba before. The grand piano in the jungle, as I'll home before. It came out of Africa, then opened new doors. Through Latin America, down to orchestra stores. In 1896 or maybe 1893, they added on a second row of keys. And now we can play all the sweet melodies. Like a guitar or piano, we do it clean. Y'all act like you've never seen a rhythm so tight. 4 mallets in our hands, like a chordal delight. We're drumming and rosewood all day and all night. Playing open air is the real street fight. So are the beat makers, the real beat makers. All the other players are just imitators. So are the real beat makers. Please shake now, please shake now, please shake now. We're the beat makers, the real beat makers. And all the other players are just imitators. So are the real beat makers. Please shake now, please shake now, please shake now. Woo! I see some people here who are most excellent at shaking. If you, small people, become inspired from this shaking, hitting, scraping experience, you might consider growing up and being just like us and pursuing a lucrative career of music on the side of the street. It is a great job. It is the best job. We get to help people feel good. We try and make them smile. It is a good time. That's what we're doing in the arts, trying to make people feel good. The people who hit things are the heart of the band. They put a lock in the pocket, they're the rhythm command. Collect more and more gear in the hitting wonderland. Put a logo on your shirt, now you're starting a brand. You hang with an orchestra, you hide in the back. Your tambourine can be quiet, but it takes an impact. The boom of the bass drum and the roar of the gong. Vibe slap, bite chord, you play the effects strong. Percussion is anything you hit, shake, or scrape. Drum, cymbal, guiro, and the 3-sided shake. Now inches piano like a part of this landscape. All the Scottish sweetly crew and table cheer upon your grave. So are the beat makers, the real beat makers. All the other players are just imitators. So the real beat makers, please shake now, please shake now, please shake now. So the beat makers, the real beat makers. And all the other players are just imitators. So the real beat makers, please shake now, please shake now, please shake now. Okay, jam portion of the song. Somebody want to play bongos? Okay, come on up. The bongos are here. Feel free to rock out. You hit the bongos with your hands, not with sticks. We have a guiro player in the house. You get scrape. You want to scrape? Okay, scraping is so much fun. Okay, how about a mini guiro? There we go. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Maracas. Yeah. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Triangle. Okay, there you go. You can play the triangle. Have fun. Okay. It looks like our wooden spoons were broken yesterday. That's okay. Apparently at a $40 donation. That's fantastic. How about, okay, we no longer have the gimmick with the rubber chicken. Someone can just go nuts with this. Ooh, this is risky. This is risky. It is an on percussion instrument. Okay, go for it. Okay. I think we're out of things you just say. We did earlier in this Fringe Festival pass out the cowbell. We have learned recently though, the cowbell, you can in fact have too much cowbell. So we don't do that anymore. We all started with drums, we wanna hit, we wanna bang. From the young age when the rhythm acquires strength. Tap the table, pop some hands, they can do it both set. This is where the percussion inside you is found. So we're the beat makers, the real beat makers, and all the other players are just imitators. So we're the real beat makers, please shake now, please shake now, please shake now. We're the beat makers, the real beat makers, and all the other players are just imitators. So we're the real beat makers, please shake now, please shake now, please shake now. We're the beat makers, the real beat makers, and all the other players are just imitators. So I'm the real beat makers, please stop now, please stop now, please stop now. Woo! Great job, crowd, great job, kids. I guess there's a little percussion inside of all of us.